And for the headlines, weather forecast. Baguio City experiences a chilling temperature of 12.2 degrees Celsius, marking the lowest temperature of the current amihan season. In local news, the SC status quo anti-order prevents the return of DMC's STL operations in CDO. Students in Oro participate in the city's Zero Waste Poster Contest. Clarex provides assistance to the family of a tricycle driver who tragically ended his own life. Clarex is considering a collaborative venture between COWD and COV. For the national news, Baste Duterte urges Marcos Jr. to step down if he lacks love for the country. A woman was arrested after she analyzed students' gadgets in Manila. International news, Japan and United States have reached an agreement on conducting AI research for drones to support a new fighter jet. Entertainment, Francine Diaz and So Inguk collaborate on the song My Love. Bel Mariano hosts the and solemn lunch and hints at a potential birthday concert. Sports, the Taekwondo event in QC strives for grassroots improvement. Romero's daughters plan to leverage their experience as athletes in managing the new PVL team. International feature, the world's largest cruise ship, Royal Caribbean's Icon embarks on its maiden voyage. National feature, Anne Curtis is showcased in the Australian magazine Good Weekend. Trivia, the alternation in the dietary habits of lions was triggered by an invasive ant. Good morning, Philippines. Magandang umaga, Luzon, ug maayong adlaw, Visayas ug Mindanao. Today is Tuesday, January 30, 2024, and I am Athalia Pisanya. Weather forecast. Baguio City experiences a chilling temperature of 12.2 degrees Celsius, marking the lowest temperature of the current amihan season. Luzon continues to experience cool weather due to the northeast monsoon or amihan. Baguio City recorded its lowest temperature this amihan season at 12.2 degrees Celsius on Friday morning. Other Pag-asa stations in Lawag City and Tanay, Rizal also reported their coldest temperatures at 17.2 degrees Celsius and 17.9 degrees Celsius, respectively. Various localities, including La Trinidad, Benguet, Basco, Batanes, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan, and Abukay, Bataan, registered temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius. Metro Manila experienced a chill at 21.6 degrees Celsius. La Trinidad, Benguet recorded the season's lowest temperature at 10.8 degrees Celsius on January 18. The amihan is expected to affect the entire country over the weekend, bringing further temperature drops and light rains to Luzon's eastern section. The northeast monsoon season typically spans from late October to early November to mid-March in the Philippines. The historical lowest temperature was 6.3 degrees Celsius in Baguio City on January 18, 1961. For the local news, the SC status quo anti-order prevents the return of DMC's STL operations in CDO. In Cagayan de Oro City, Hexaprime has acknowledged the Supreme Court status quo anti-order for Diamond Millennium Corporation, emphasizing that it does not imply an immediate resumption of DMC's operations without the authority to operate. Hexaprime's chief legal counsel, Attorney Delbert John Barsaga, highlighted the significance of PCSO regulations and the certification issued by PCSO to strengthen Hexaprime's legitimacy as the STL operation in the city and province. Despite ongoing legal matters, Hexaprime continues its operations, initiated with PCSO approval since October 17, 2023, defending against police actions and asserting compliance with PCSO regulations in the STL sector. Students in Oro participate in the city's Zero Waste Poster Contest. In a bid to instill environmental awareness among the youth, Cagayan de Oro City has initiated a poster-making competition for elementary and secondary students as part of its 2024 Zero Waste Month celebrations. Organized by the City Local Environment and Natural Resources Office with guidance from the local government unit, the contest garnered enthusiastic participation from numerous young artists aiming to promote sustainable waste management practices. The theme Sustainable Waste Management in Livable Communities, Zero Waste in Philippine Waters by 2040 underscores the city's commitment to environmental sustainability and addresses the pressing issues of waste reduction in the Philippine waters. Sheila Lumbatan, the Chief of Staff at the City Mayor's Office, emphasized that the contest seeks to harness the artistic talents of the youth to inspire actions contributing to environmental protection. The competition not only serves as a showcase of talent, but also offers an educational platform, encouraging participants to research and understand environmental issues for accurate portrayal in their artwork. The city anticipates that the winning visual messages will resonate with residents, fostering habits aligned with the vision of achieving zero waste in Philippine waters by 2040. The announcement of winners expected later in the month, with winning artworks featured in city campaigns promoting zero waste practices. Clarex provides assistance to the family of tricycle driver who tragically ended his own life. Cagayan de Oro City Mayor Rolando Clarix Uy has provided financial assistance to the family of a tricycle driver who sadly took his own life last Sunday. The mayor's swift support was warmly received by Gracelyn Ekatan, a relative of the 35-year-old victim known as Addis. Addis had been grappling with depression since December 2023, particularly after being left alone. Mayor Uy, recognizing the urgency of assistance during such challenging times, promptly arranged for financial aid to ease the burdens faced by the grieving family. Sheila Lumbatan, the mayor's office chief of staff, expressed gratitude for the aid, emphasizing its importance in times of crisis. Lumbatan highlighted Mayor Uy's commitment to community welfare and dedication to aiding those facing difficulties, emphasizing the importance of addressing mental health issues within the community. The mayor's compassionate response not only underscores his empathy, but also underscores the significance of promoting mental well-being in the face of the challenges individuals in various professions may encounter. Pladex is considering a collaborative venture between COWD and COB. Cagayan de Oro City Hall is actively engaged in promoting a public-private partnership between the Cagayan de Oro City Water District and its contracted bulk water supplier, according to a statement from a top City Hall official. During the program, ang inyong alagad, Mayor Clarix Uy, Sheila Lombatan, Mayor Orlando Uy's Chief of Staff, shared that the decision for a PPP arrangement arose after a meeting between Mayor Clarix, COWD representatives, and Cagayan de Oro Bulk Water Incorporation officials. The PPP discussions, scheduled to commence in September, aim to address COWD's challenges, including an outstanding debt of approximately 437 million pesos to COB. Despite the debt, Lumbatan assured the public that COB's water supply to the city will not be disrupted, and COWD continues to make gradual payments. The PPP venture is anticipated to expedite solutions to COWD's water supply issues, including the aging pipeline distribution system.
Kung among baligyan namo is more on smartphones or laptop. apoy kwan pod mga gaming laptop or mga monitor, printer, or speaker o mga kwan dayon. Etc. mga tablets dayon. Ang brand ng mga baligya is kasagara gid mga kwan gid siya, mga kani iPhone o kani mga iPhone or sa og mga Android dayon si Xiaomi, Poco, iPhone na kani siya si iPhone 11 mura gid ang kwan the cheapest na kani siya may halinon nila sa mga pangmasa gid sa mga kwan nato kababayan nato is iPhone 11. Yung price is 28,400 ni siya. So barato rin siya lower than SRP, 128 gig yung storage ko dani. 4 gig RAM ni siya. So sa mga 4 gig ni halos sa mga iPhone kusog-kusog na pud ni siya. Kani sa halin halinon kwan gid siya dili siya ingon nga only one brand lang ang pinahalinon siguro kaning kwan gyud kani si Infinix, Tecno, kani silang duha may mga top mo ni mga top na to kaning duha si Infinix ug si Tecno. Then for sa kwan dayon for more on camera si Realme, si Xiaomi. Then sa pinaka-top nato sa kwan nato sa for overall gaming kani si Poco. Munang kwan na sa mga overall gaming gid sila. Atong available nato is naatay HP, Asus o Lenovo mo mga tulungan niabot sa amo mga brand namo sa laptop. Dili tanan nga medyo kwan mo siya. Ang kwan gid kasagara sa mga kwan gid ang kwan nila is Acer or Lenovo. So si Lenovo is more gid siya ang kwan gid kanang high spec gid siya nga lower price gid siya. Pero ang kasagara gid sa mga more on quality pod sa magipangita pod sa mga pang college or kuan is Acer. Si Acer gid ang well known gid na siya nga brand gid si Acer. Affordable pod si Acer pod.
Si Bimbo nga barbak natay kung sa specs nato siya natay specs nga sa Intel natay Core i3, Core i5 nya. Kung sa AMD pod natay Athlon natay 18 gyapon pinakaubos. Sunod Athlon ay din ang Ryzen 3 mo siya Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 nasad ta sa Intel nasad tay i7 natay kining board ring nga available Gigabyte o BioStar natay MSI, ASRock. Sa atong graphics card napunta kuan kining 4070 Ti o 4060 Ti. Ang price ani sir 61,000 ang 4070 Ti. 4060 Ti nasa 31,000 plus. Ang Galax nasa 13,000 ang katong iyang 1660. 8 gig na siya, 6 gig siya sir. Natay dire mga RAM, available daghan. Panther ang available o RAM stock.
Kung mag-apply si client of home credit, need na mo is one valid ID lang sir. Example, kung new client siya is one valid ID tapos 30% down payment. Kung reloaner ka sir, pwede na po na mo i-check imong account kasi na siya low down payment kasi pwede na siya 200 any yung item yung kaon sir. Like siya na ang bahala kung sa kaon yung item basta low down payment lang gid siya. New client is 30% down payment sir. Pero nami bago nga karon system generated na mi sir ha. Sir, ang bago nga system if ever kung new client si customer need niya og source of income, mag-base yung credit sa yung source of income mo, yung application nga ginhatag sa amo. Kaya mag-approve na sir, main Manila ang mag-approve na sir. Then sa kung depende ni client ang pilahon niya ka months bayaran sir. Napod kay terms nga 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 15 months at 18 months. If ever makabayad si customer sa iyang first payment, butang na to 6 months yung term na ginahatag, pwede ra niya i-advance og bayad, pwede siya manawag sa customer service para
if 4 months or 3 months na po siya down low down payment, sir. Automatic kasi ang ano siya, sir, kaning good payer. Tawagan niya, first is tawagan niya si customer service, sir, na inform siya nga iyang i-palipid o bayad. Kung relevant na mo, sir, is i-check ang account ni sir or ni ma'am, automatic na siya low down payment ang iyang i-down service and bundle yung paon. Pwede rin po furniture, appliance, cellphone, gadgets, laptops, cosmetics, school supply, cellphones, mga sir, headset, pwede po bundle, mga laptop, mga speaker, printer, monitor, keyboard. Kung wala kay cash, sir, pwede rin po utang. Need lang na mo, ID lang yun, 30% down payment, mga man, sir. Pakitaan lang si home credit.
For the national news, Basta Duterte urges Marcos Jr. to step down if he lacks love for the country. Davao City Mayor Sebastian Duterte has urged President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to resign if he lacks love and aspirations for the Philippines, expressing dissatisfaction with the current administration's handling of the country. Speaking at the hakbang ng Maisog Leaders Forum in Davao City, Mayor Duterte voiced concerns about issues such as criminality, illegal drugs, and renewed peace talks with the Communists, CPP, NPA, and NDF. He criticized the government's priorities, emphasizing the need to focus on improving the lives of Filipinos, especially those in lower classes. Mayor Duterte's call for resignation was accompanied by criticisms of the People's Initiative advocating charter change. Former officials and supporters, including lawyer Vic Rodriguez and former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, also voiced their opposition to the proposed changes, expressing concerns about self-interest in the government. A prayer rally in Davao City drew thousands in opposition to the People's Initiative. A woman was arrested after she analyzed students' gadgets in Manila. A woman was arrested Saturday night after stealing gadgets, including a laptop and tablet. The suspect was caught on CCTV prowling around a fast food chain and carrying out the unguarded robbery of his victim's belongings. According to the police, the laptop, passport, and school supplies were found in a bag, while a backpack with an iPad, cash, and other items was recovered from another victim. The suspect was apprehended near the scene of the crime after the operation of the Theft and Robbery Section and Tracker Team of the Crime Investigation Section of the Manila Police District. The case is now being investigated and the suspect is facing theft allegations. International news. Japan and the United States have reached an agreement on conducting AI research for drones to support a new fighter jet. Japan and the United States have agreed to collaborate on artificial intelligence research with the aim of incorporating the technology into drones that would operate alongside Japan's next generation fighter jet. While Japan plans to co-develop the fighter aircraft with Britain and Italy by 2035, the US, as Japan's key security ally, is not part of the fighter jet project but is enhancing defense cooperation. especially in autonomous systems capabilities. The Joint AI Study seeks to revolutionize airborne combat by merging advanced AI and machine learning with unmanned air vehicles, contributing to the technological advantages of the Japan-US alliance. The collaboration is anticipated to apply AI to UAVs alongside Japan's future fighter aircraft. The three-way fighter jet development agreement involving Japan, Britain, and Italy was initiated in December 2022, marking Japan's first joint defense equipment development deal with a country other than the United States. Entertainment. Francine Diaz and So In-guk collaborate on the song My Love. Kapamilya actress Francine Diaz and South Korean singer-actor So In-guk confirmed their collaboration in a single titled My Love during an exclusive press conference and listening party. The announcement coincided with the celebration of Diaz's 20th birthday. Speculation about the collaboration arose when Diaz teased her upcoming music project with a Korean artist earlier this month. Son, known for his role in Reply 1997, shared that the collaboration was initiated after meeting Diaz's manager and expressing his interest in singing with the renowned Filipina actress. Diaz, acclaimed for her roles in Cagayan De Oro, Dirty Linen, and Fractured, has expanded her career beyond television. So In-guk, with series like Doom at Your Service and Death's Game, continues to make his mark in the entertainment industry. Bel Mariano hosts the and solemn launch and hints at a potential birthday concert. Kapamilya artist Bel Mariano celebrated the launch of her new album and Solemn with a party at a Quezon City mall on Saturday. The event, held at SM North EDSA Sky Dome, featured Mariano performing tracks from the album including Walang Pake, Shot Me Right Now, Nobody Else, I Choose Me, and Autumn. Mariana expressed her fondness for I Choose Me, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing oneself. She also sang other singles like Sigurado from her album Daylight and Bugambilya from Solemn. Spotify presented Mariano with the Lullaby Artist Award, and record producer Roxy Likigan hinted at a potential concert for her birthday. Mariano thanked her fans for supporting her music career, emphasizing how music has become a means for her to express thoughts and feelings alongside her acting career. On-screen partner Donnie Pangilinan joined her in thanking fans at the end of the event. Sports. The Taekwondo event in QC strives for grassroots improvement. An inaugural Taekwondo competition, the Mapata competition hosted by champion Pauline Lopez, is set to take place at Amoronanto Stadium in Quezon City, featuring over 600 participants from toddlers to 18 years old. Emphasizing grassroots development, the event aims to instill discipline and goal setting for the young contestants from areas like Makati, Pasay, and Taguig. Starting at 10 a.m., the competition focuses on personal achievement rather than just winning medals. Lopez, founder of the Shiro Taekwondo School, is dedicated to leaving a positive impact on the younger generation, imparting holistic discipline that goes beyond physical techniques to encompass character development in and out of the studio and ring. Romero's daughters plan to leverage their experience as athletes in managing the new PVL team. Mandy and Milka Romero, daughters of Sports Patron Rep. Representative Mikey Romero, are set to leverage their athletic experience in managing the Capital One Power Spikers, the newest team in the PVL. With Milka's background as a former UAAP football player and Mandy's experience with the Philippine Muay Thai national team, they aim to balance the pressures of both playing and managing. The sisters emphasize their competitive spirit and commitment to winning, inheriting the passion from their father. Despite the tight schedule, Coach Roger Gorayev is ready for the challenge of preparing the team for the PVL All-Filipino Conference starting on February 20 at the Araneta Coliseum. International feature. The world's largest cruise ship, Royal Caribbean's Icon, embarks on its maiden voyage. Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, the world's largest cruise ship, embarked on its maiden voyage from Miami, boasting dimensions surpassing the Eiffel Tower's height. The $2 billion Icon, part of Royal Caribbean's Quantum class, accommodates over 5,600 passengers and 2,350 crew members, offering a plethora of amenities, including 7 swimming pools, water slides, an ice arena, and an array of dining venues. Despite its colossal size, the ship emphasizes eco-friendliness, powered by liquefied natural gas and equipped with waste-to-energy technology and a reverse osmosis system for water supply. The inaugural cruise, featuring global soccer star Lionel Messi's christening, set sail for a week in the Caribbean before returning to Miami. National feature. Anne Curtis is showcased in the Australian magazine Good Weekend. Actress host Anne Curtis gains recognition on her home turf as she graces the cover of the Australian magazine Good Weekend. The January issue introduces Curtis as Screen Queen, the Australian TV and film mega celebrity you've never heard of. Despite her widespread popularity in the Philippines for over 2 decades, her fame has remained largely unnoticed by the broader Australian audience. The cover story explores Curtis' journey to stardom, her diverse body of work, and her massive fan base. In addition to her entertainment career, Curtis is highlighted for her humanitarian contributions as a UNICEF Philippines National Goodwill Ambassador. For trivia, the alternation in the dietary habits of lions was triggered by an invasive ant. Research reveals the ant effect as invasive big-headed ants alter the Kenyan savanna landscape, impacting the hunting behavior of local lions. The ants disrupted the symbiotic relationship between whistling thorn acacia trees and acacia ants, diminishing tree cover. Lions adapted by switching to larger group hunts targeting buffalo, leading to a 3-fold decline in zebra killings. The study underscores the significant consequences of invasive species, emphasizing the need to understand their ecological impacts and potential cascading effects on other species. The findings also highlight the broader issue of the increasing spread of the invasive species due to the human activities. And that was the information we got from here and abroad. Keep listening and watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and share Pinoy Rob on YouTube channel. And thank you very much for watching Pinoy Rob News Channel Cagayan De Oro. I am asking once more to support and subscribe and turn on notification for more updates and more info. I repeat, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, elas ng silang